Morning, dear students. Welcome to Gurudeva Online Classes. Dear student, in today's class, I am going to start exercise 8.3. Okay. Dear student, next I am going to take the exercise 8.3. See, first one, tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. Dear student, here I am taking here only two questions. Remaining two questions you solve in both. First one. Gardening shares bought for 250 rupees and sold for 325 rupees. Okay, let us see solution. Solution. Cost price of gardening share is 250 rupees. Selling price of gardening shares is 325 rupees. Since we know selling price is greater than cost price, therefore here is profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Now selling price is 325 rupees and cost price is 250 rupees. When we doing the subtraction, we are getting here 75 rupees. Now profit percentage. Now profit percentage is equal profit by cost price into 100. Now we can write here profit is 75 rupees, cost price is 250 rupees into 100. 0, 0, 0 will cancel here. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay, now 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. When we multiply here 50 into 2, we are getting here 30%. Okay, this is the percent. This is the profit percentage. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear student. Next, I am taking here third one. Cost price of cupboard. Cup is 2,500 rupees. Next, selling price of cupboard. Board is 3,000 rupees. Selling price is greater than cost price. Profit, therefore, profit is equal selling price minus cost price. We know selling price is 3,000 rupees. Cost price is 2,500 rupees. When we do the subtraction, we are getting here 500 is profit. Now we have to find out here profit percentages. Now profit percentage is 500 by cost price is 200, 2,500 into 100. Now here 20 will cancel here. 25 ones are 25 20s are. Now 20%. This is the profit percentage. Now we can write here. Profit is 500 rupees. Profit percentage is 20%. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear friend. Next, I am taking here second question in exercise 8.3. Now, second question. Convert each part of the ratio to percentages. Okay, dear student, in this second minute, I am solving here only two questions. You solve the remaining in both. First one, 3 is to 1, and second one, 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, let us see first one solution. Given here, given 3 is to 1. The total part is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, fractional part, we can write 3 by 4 is to 1 by 4. Percentages, next percentage of parts. Now we can write here 3 by 4 into 100 is to 1 by 4 into 100. Now 4 ones are 425s are 100. 4 ones are 425s are. Now when we multiply here 25 to 3, we are getting here 75% is to and 25% is n. Now here percentage of parts is 75% is to 25%. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear students, next second one you see here. 2 is to 3 is to 5. Now total part is, when we add 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now fractional part, we can write here 2 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 5 by 10. Now percentage of parts, now 2 by 10 into 100 is to 3 by 10 into 100 is to 5 by 10 into 100. Now 10 ones are 10 tens are 10 ones are 10 tens are 10 ones are 10 tens are. When we multiply here, we are getting here percentage of parts is 20% is to 30% is to 50%. Okay, this is the solution. Dear friend, remaining problem you solve in home. Next I am going to take your third main in exercise 8.3. Now third main, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decreases. Okay, dear students, let us see solution. The decreased population of a city from 25,000 to 24,500. Population decreased, that is 25,000, 24,500. When we bring the subtraction, we are getting here 500. Decreased percentage population decreased by original population into 100. Now we know population decreased, that is 500. Okay, divided by total is 25,000 into 100. Now 0 will be cancelled here. Again 0 will cancel. 25 ones are 25 twos are. Now 2%. The population decreased here only 2%. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear friend, next I am taking here fourth main. Harun bought a car for 3,50,000. The next year, the price went up to 3,70,000 rupees. What were the percentage of price increase? Let us see solution. Increase in price of a car from 3 lakh 50,000 to 3 lakh 70. Amount change is 3 lakh 70,000 minus 3 lakh 50,000. Now when we do the subtraction, we are getting here 20,000. Okay, now we have to find out here increased percentage. Okay, now amount of change by original amount into 100. Now amount of change is, that is the 20,000 by 3 lakh 50,000 into 100. Here 20 will cancel. Here also 20 will cancel. Remaining is 200 by 35. Remaining is 35. When we cancel it here by 35, 5 by 7%. Yes, right? This is the increased percentage. Okay, this is the solution. Yes, right? In this class, I completed here exercise 8.3 fourth main. Remaining problems I will start in next class. Thank you.